Professor Tammy here. This presentation will guide you through the essential elements of research protocols and annotated bibliographies. We will cover their definitions, importance, and how to effectively develop and implement them in academic and scientific research. We will start by understanding the fundamental aspects of research protocols, including their definitions, components, and significance. Next, we will explore the steps to develop a research protocol, followed by the implementation stages. We will also introduce annotated bibliographies, their benefits, and conclude with how to integrate both concepts into a cohesive research process. Research protocols are essential documents that outline the methodology and procedures for a specific research study. They provide a clear framework for conducting research and ensure consistency and reliability. A research protocol is a detailed plan that describes the objectives, design, methodology, statistical considerations, and organization of a research project. Its primary purpose is to ensure clarity and a systematic approach throughout the research process. Key components of a research protocol include the title, background information, research questions, methodology, data analysis plan, and timelines. Each component serves to guide researchers in conducting their study effectively. Research protocols are crucial for maintaining scientific rigor and integrity. They help prevent bias, ensure ethical standards, and facilitate the reproducibility of research findings. A well-structured protocol is essential for successful research outcomes. Developing a research protocol involves several critical steps that guide researchers in formulating their study. This section will outline the key elements to consider when drafting a comprehensive protocol. The first step in developing a research protocol is to identify clear and focused research questions and objectives. These questions should drive the direction of the study and define its scope. Designing the methodology involves selecting appropriate research methods, tools, and techniques for data collection. This step is crucial for ensuring the validity and reliability of the research. A detailed study plan outlines the steps to be taken throughout the research process, including timelines, resource allocation, and responsibilities. It serves as a roadmap for researchers as they conduct their studies. Once the research protocol is developed, the next step is implementation. This phase encompasses data collection, analysis, and ethical considerations to ensure the research is conducted properly. Establishing clear data collection procedures ensures that data is gathered consistently and accurately. This may involve surveys, interviews, or experiments, depending on the research design. After data collection, Researchers must analyze and interpret the data using appropriate statistical methods. This step is essential for drawing meaningful conclusions from the research. Ethical considerations are paramount in research. Researchers must obtain necessary approvals from ethic boards and ensure that they adhere to ethical standards throughout the study. Annotated bibliographies are compilations of sources with accompanying summaries and evaluations. They serve as valuable tools for researchers to organize and assess the literature related to their research. An annotated bibliography includes citations from sources, followed by a brief annotation which summarizes and evaluates the source's content. This format helps researchers keep track of their sources and assess their relevance. While a bibliography lists sources in a specific format, an annotated bibliography provides additional information through annotations. This includes summaries, evaluations, and reflections on each source. Creating an annotated bibliography helps researchers synthesize information, improve their understanding of a topic, and streamline the research process. It also serves as a helpful reference tool for future research. The process of creating an annotated bibliography involves selecting relevant sources, writing annotations, and ensuring proper formatting according to academic standards. This section will provide guidance on these steps. Selecting relevant sources involves critically evaluating literature to ensure that it aligns with the research questions and objectives. Quality sources enhance the credibility of research. Annotation should include a summary of the source, an evaluation of its credibility and relevance, and a reflection on how it contributes to the research. This structured approach enhances the usefulness of the bibliography. Proper formatting and organization of annotations are essential for maintaining academic integrity. Researchers should follow the specific citation style required by their institution or discipline. Integrating research protocols with annotated bibliographies enhances the research process by aligning source selection with research objectives. This section will explore the synergy between the two. The research protocol serves as a guide for selecting sources that are relevant to the study's objectives. This ensures that bibliography supports the research goals effectively. Annotations provide clarity on how each source contributes to the research objectives, enabling researchers to understand the relevance and applicability of the literature they are reviewing. An annotated bibliography should be an integral part of the research process. It helps researchers stay organized, informed, and focused throughout their study. Mastering research protocols and annotated bibliographies is essential for conducting effective research. By understanding and integrating these components, researchers can ensure academic rigor and enhance the quality of their studies. That's all, folks.